Hello, in front of me I've got Blink Outdoor 4. In this video I'll show you how to manage disarmed and armed mode. With the Blink Outdoor 4, armed and disarmed refer to the overall system state, not individual cameras. In armed mode, the system is active. Motion detection is enabled for any camera that has it turned on, and when motion detection is active, the camera records clip. You receive motion alerts on your mobile device, and also you have to have free storage. When device is disarmed, the motion detection is inactive, but you can still access live view at any time. Simply switch this button to enable or disable armed function. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.